Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with readiness. Make sure the case and Airpods have charge and that your phone is unlocked on the Bluetooth page. Open the case and press and hold the setup button on the back until the LED flashes white. This puts them into pairing mode. Once the LED is flashing, don't close the lid. Keep the phone nearby and visible. This initial step resets the handshake so the device can discover the Airpods anew, avoiding old pairing conflicts. You now complete the connection through your phone settings. Scan the Bluetooth list and tap the entry labeled Airpods. If the OS asks for confirmation or shows a pairing code, accept it. This confirms trust between devices. For iOS, you might see an animation and battery levels. For Android, watch the connection indicator. If it takes a few seconds, be patient. The devices exchange profiles and audio codecs so sound quality and mic routing work correctly. Finish by testing playback and the mic. Play a track and record a quick voice memo to verify both channels. If pairing fails, perform a factory reset again by holding the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED shows amber then white. This clears residual settings. Then reboot your phone and repeat the pairing steps. One tip: if you still see the old name, remove or forget the device from Bluetooth settings before retrying to ensure a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.